वेलकम अनुषा, वेलकम टू लॉगरी। सो गाइज मैं बता दूं, अनुषा का AIR 80 आया है इन द एग्जाम ऑफ NLSAT. NLSAT is the exam for NLSIU Bangalore, and she has scored 85 marks in part A 48.75 and in part B 36.25. Congratulations, Anusha.
Thank you so
And
much, ma'am.
I am so glad that you connected. And she messaged me on Instagram saying that she used our monthly video lectures, current affairs lectures. So, Anusha, what do you
Yes.
want to say? How you were able to find about us? First, tell me this.
Yes. So I was doing CS articleship, basically company secretary articleship, and before starting the articleship, I came through like your one video on YouTube, which was like a guiding video which said about what are the things to be covered for like any law exams, most of the law exams, the topics that are to be covered, and free materials you were trying to guide with where you can read from and what all is to be covered. So that's when I first saw you on YouTube, like the content of yours, and I found it very sweet and everything was very properly explained. So I had noted it down. This is what I have to do 2 years from now when I finish my articleship and when I wanted to do law ka preparation for the exam. So I knew like before 2 years when they started the NLSAT batch that I want to do this. I want to give this exam. So just waiting for the articleship to get over. So once it got over, I started studying in the month of probably December or so, December, January. So
Okay.
there was the exam was supposed to be in April, as we know that NLSAT is usually in April, but due
Yeah.
to elections they preponed it and they made it 17th March.
Yeah.
So what happened was I started panicking because I had to cover like the whole current affairs of the previous year.
Okay.
And when I was doing articleship, I used to read up like finance articles and stuff like that, which was important for my job.
Okay.
But I would not cover current affairs whole as such, which is like needed for this exam, like
Okay.
current affairs about everything what's going on. So I usually don't prefer like I don't like reading newspapers and also I used to find it very difficult to sit and read the current affairs every day. So what happened was maybe around January end or mid January, I remembered like there's your website as well, which I remembered vaguely that had current affairs material on it. So when I went up and checked, I was very happy to find that monthly I can buy current affairs ka videos, because what happens is for me personally, when I read current affairs, like the materials that you usually get in coaching places and all, they are just notes. So when I start reading, it kind of makes me feel a little bored in the sense that I'm like, why should I study this? Or why should I read this? What's going on? So it's not very interesting because I like conceptual things and
Okay.
not general news in general, which is like bits and pieces of everything. Right? So you have to
Okay.
remember a lot.
Yeah.
So then I used to feel that, and it's very useful for me if somebody's explaining something to me. Like listening is way more effective for me
Okay.
personally. So then when I saw the video lectures that you had, I was very happy because you are literally going through each sentence and you are telling it and explaining it. And sometimes multiple times, which was just without even studying, it was already in my head because you kept repeating many things and you did it on purpose so that the students
Yeah.
could remember. Even though I can imagine saying the same thing must have been so difficult because in one video you used to sometimes tell twice, thrice, and even in the next video there was a callback. Yeah, हमने तब discuss किया था something, some sort like that.
Yeah.
So I started taking the videos each month. I used to start like what I did was about in 12-13 days I finished like 8 months of lecture in the end, towards the end, because I started panicking and I wanted to cover the whole current
Oh my
affairs.
God.
Yeah.
That's huge.
So to watch it on higher speed because I did not have time, right? The whole day I was sitting and watching. And in spite of watching it the whole day, the same thing for 13 days, I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed you talking, explaining things. It was genuinely very fun. And you seemed very interested to tell something. So I could hear it in your voice. So obviously we can't see you. I can hear you, right? So in your voice, I could hear that you're so excited to teach and you want the other person to understand what you're telling very properly and want them to keep it in mind. So I felt it very interesting and I finished the whole thing. So yeah, it was very helpful for the exam, frankly.
Okay, Anusha, a lot of students message me every other day saying that rupees 300 is too much for the
No,
cost of the
no, no, no.
content. What do you want to say since you have
See,
gone through it?
yes. To be frank, if so, it's about some 3.6 or something for 12 months in total, and it's really reasonable to be frank because imagine covering 12 months of data otherwise would have taken so much more time. Maybe I did it in 12, 13 days because I watch it on speed. But if people are not comfortable with that, they can always use 1 month also. I feel personally ki one whole month you can finish current affairs for 12 months watching just videos and like taking notes of your own few, because later you'll just have to go through the notes that you made. So that way you don't have to crib about current affairs for like 6 months whole. I mean, I'm not saying that is a very good thing to be updated, but in case that you don't have time and you're a working professional and who wants to give exams like this, I think it would be very useful. And 3,000 like 300 per month is really not. It's very reasonable. And if I have to personally tell, I would be okay to pay probably a 5K for like a 12-month thing. And I'm a person from a very middle class family. I'm from a small town, which is called Karwar. It's between Karnataka and Goa. It's a small place. I've lived there all my life, and like I'm not saying as a rich brat or something. I'm a normal person, and I'm telling it's really reasonably priced, and I really hope that you keep it that way, or probably you could even increase it. But yeah, that's your
Thank you, Anusha.
wish.
That means a lot. I told you
Yeah,
yesterday also while we were chatting that you're a
yeah.
messenger of God, because I was just thinking about
So
what I should do with this. Like, I should continue. Is it
it's
really
really
helpful?
useful.
Like, I was just
Yeah.
contemplating that. क्या करूं मतलब इसको रखूं, because it's been just 1 year of completing, we started in May 2023 last year,
Yes.
2024 May 2024 we are here 12 months, so I
I
was just
think I
thinking
must
about
have
it.
taken from around May or June onwards. I have
Okay.
taken from last year till up to date. I have taken all of it.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
and you're very quick also. You try to keep everything
Yeah,
updated, and that
I
must
try to do it
must be very
like in
hard
the
work.
first week of, like, I try to
Yes.
put the first
Yeah. Yeah.
one
I've
on
seen.
30th, 31st, like the and second by the first week, and third one by
Yes.
the mid of like the next month. That's what.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
you have to. I mean, you have to keep the concepts also intact. You have to you don't want to repeat again and again one concept. So
Exactly.
you want that in
Yeah.
the first part, every concept, if it's there, you add on to it. That's what I
Yeah.
want, because there should be not much of repetition. I do repeat only the pointers, might like if there is an add-on in the later part of the month. Okay, Anusha, you said that you made pointers. Can you please tell
Yes.
students, since you have gone through the content, that pointers, do I tell about the pointers or you have to find them yourself?
So basically, how it works is, without making the notes of your own, most of this is like 50% not going to be helpful, because the other 50% you're covering by making your notes, because this is all about recalling, right?
Hmm.
So if you have something to go back and check to, which is shorter, like your own notes, which you know are important, so then it will be useful for you to remember it later on for the exams. So at least every day you have to open these notes and you have to recall.
Okay, okay.
So basically, what I used to do is when I used to read the notes, right? You used to stress on few points. You will tell specifically ki these are important. Most of the times you will tell ki this you keep in mind, ye zaruri hai or something. You will hint on it most of the time, and it's easier. I mean, for me personally, it's easier to filter out content in the sense that when you read something which is repetitive and which is continuing, in the sense ki last month bhi hai, ye month bhi chal raha hai, that means it's a current topic that's going on, and you
Okay.
will have to remember it. So something that goes on for more than 1 2 months, that I keep important and I note that down. And
Okay.
other than that, when you sometimes some things are highlighted or in black, in your notes also sometimes you'll find like
I also made
important
pointers on the side, like
side mein,
ensuring,
हाँ,
yeah, mind maps,
correct,
ensuring that you, if someone wants to
correct,
copy, they can
हाँ,
copy that part, and that
yes,
would be enough
yes,
for revision, because
yeah, I
ensuring
remember
that
now,
someone has something to
correct,
revise from. Yeah, that chotu
yes,
notes, because I thought
yes,
that
on the
if
side, yeah,
students want to revise before the exam, like, 10 days
yeah,
before the exam, revision cannot be done from big notes. You need
definitely,
smaller,
yeah,
small, like chotu ka bhi chotu notes, like choti copy is
yeah,
required for that, and that
correct,
is why I used to put that. So I just wanted to know that,
yeah.
was it of any help or not?
It was definitely. So when you used to tell that no, that though definitely I would put in my notes then, if it's the ones that you have told. And other than that also, which I personally felt important, I used to add on.
Okay, okay.
And like I have also read up few of the things from this thing, the magazines that they have for IAS
Yes.
people, for preparation of that. I used to read this one which had monthly articles on it. So when I used to go through that, I used to feel you have covered from there also many things. That's when I was even more satisfied. Okay, then I'm doing fine. Ki things are getting covered. So when I that
So you
also
were able
was
to
like a
connect, you were
yeah.
able to get more confidence from there. You
Yes,
know what
yes,
happens when you go to some other content piece of current affairs, you often
yeah.
find stuff which is not there, like, and you
Yes.
panic, like,
मैं
oh, ये
पैनिक
तो
की
नहीं
अरे ये तो
होते,
था हाँ ये
हाँ,
तो यहीं
yeah,
पर नहीं था, and then
yeah,
I was like
and then
oh
you
god
get,
क्या
because yeah,
करना है.
there are
Yeah,
going to be
true.
certain things, but the important things need to be covered, like the overall part, because obviously
Yes.
IS is a little bit different than
More
what
yeah. It's
law
more
entrance
deeper
exam,
and it
yeah,
has everything clearly, but that's what the gist of that was always covered by you,
yeah,
and that's where I was like I can trust this material to like cover things for me. And apart from that, doing I used to do this monthly magazine ka article thing. Basically they had articles each month. They had some 10 11 topics which are important for that month. So
okay,
that is anyway in addition good to read, because for the answer writing part it
yeah,
will help for
okay,
the
okay,
second B part. So
okay.
that's how that I used
Okay.
to read.
Okay, Anusha, I'm so glad that you like the content. You like my hard work. I do sell them. I was telling you yesterday also, but it
Yeah,
is too much of hard work
it's
getting
a lot
those
of hard work.
notes
I can't
together.
imagine.
I
Yeah,
mean, not
definitely.
putting in paragraphs, because if you put
Yeah,
paragraphs, obviously it is going to take time. So I want the
difficult to
digi
read.
notes.
Yeah,
I want the digi notes also to be
yeah.
very concise. So I really work hard on that, ensuring that the pointers are not missed, ensuring it's not in paragraphs, so that it's in pointers, so that it can be picked. And then while I'm explaining, I ensure there another set of notes that
Smaller
can be
notes.
picked
Yeah.
up, so that just for the 10 days before, or even on monthly basis, if you're going through those notes, your MCQs and your, like, it helps in everything. That is what my intent is. And you
Yes.
came out and told me that okay, your intention is getting across very nicely, so I'm so thankful, I'm glad about that. Okay, now Anusha, I want you to talk about CS and law. Like, how was it? You know, this message I get a lot on Instagram that I'm doing CS. Should I go for law? So, how you, went on to take this decision of being a lawyer after doing your CS?
Yes, okay. Sure. So basically, my older sister is a chartered accountant, and due to that, when I was in 11th or 12th, I was kind of like, okay, let me, because I was not so much into math. So I kind of liked more of, economics and things like that. So I thought that maybe CS would be a good option. And when I started like I gave all the exams, so I
Okay.
started doing CS and BCom simultaneously. So I finished my BCom I finished my CS before my BCom. So I had 1 year of BCom left, and I finished I had last sem of BCom left, and I finished my CS. Like all three exams I cleared. And then what happened was I had to finish articleship. So at that point of time, I knew when I finished CS, I was 20, almost 20, 21 when I finished CS.
Oh, that's
And
a great thing, Anusha. I mean, I yesterday when we kept the call, so we were on call
yeah,
together. When I was
yeah,
talking, I was like, you told me that you're around 22, 23. I was like,
I'm
oh my
saying, yeah,
God, this girl has
just
done
turned
so much
23.
in just the span of 23 years. She
Thank
has
you.
completed her CS. Now she's going to the top law school of India. She has done a lot.
Thank you so much. So what happened was I finished around 2021. So I knew that I want to do something that will add on to this. So I started
Okay.
looking up things, and I realized ki in CS while I was studying as well, I really loved the subjects that were law related. Like we have Companies Act, which is like
Okay.
a main for a CS. And in Companies Act, when I was going through, my mentor, basically my articleship sir, the person who I worked under, the PCS, practicing company secretary, I worked under them for 2 years. So he uh, like interested me more into interpretation, and how interpretation can be so interesting and so fun and so different for each person.
How can one line of
Beautiful.
one provision can have
Yes.
multiple things, and how
Amazing.
one day you
Yeah.
can be on one side and the
Yes.
other day you have the
Yeah.
similar case and you're dancing on the other side. Sometimes even
Yes.
in the court you're like, hum
Yeah.
kitne dogle hai. We are on. Yesterday I was saying no, this is right. Today I'm saying no,
Like, oh,
obviously
even
this
the
is
other
right.
thing could be right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, in articleship 2 years, I worked on a lot of things. I worked on legal opinions, and I
Okay.
used to do mergers
And
also and all.
acquisitions. Okay.
Yeah, and mergers and acquisitions, and demergers also I've done few, like assisted in them.
Okay.
So in the first year of articleship itself, I was sure that I want to do law. Once I finish my 2 years of articleship, I will join law.
Law.
But the only question was ki I did not want to do law from a regular college. I wanted to, if I'm doing law and I'm paying some money for something and I have to actually go to college for 3 years, otherwise I could be earning money in that time.
Yeah.
Like since I would be qualified, so I wanted to do from the best one. Like I really
Okay.
wanted to get into NLU.
Okay.
And fortunately, when I was just starting articleship for the next 2 years, they introduced the NLU ka 3 year
3 year
course.
law.
Yeah,
Yeah.
until then they did not have it. So I was like beyond joy because before that my options were ILS or GLC. But
Okay.
when this came up, I was like, I'm preparing for this because I was already working in Bangalore. Like my two
Yeah.
years of articleship was in Bangalore. So what happened was they had a campus visit in NLU.
So you
So
did it.
just 2 years before. Yeah, I went there, saw
Okay.
the campus.
I
I
think you
took demo
manifested
lecture.
NLU so badly
Oh,
that they had to pick you up.
that could be
Yeah, that's
because
the kind of love, like, because yeah, I know there are campus visits, but I've never heard someone going actually and visiting the campus and then
and that's
getting
why I went two
admission.
years back. I
I
went
think you
2
were
years
able to work so hard because you could imagine that, oh, I have to be there, I have to
could
be in
be.
that part of the
Yeah, in the
campus.
back of my mind, I knew okay, I want to go here. So when I
Yeah.
went to the campus, they had a mock that was taken by Atria ma'am, and it was beautiful.
Okay.
She took a lecture, which was one of the best lectures I sat. It was beautiful. It was about 1.5 hours. It felt like 10 minutes, and I was like, "This is
Oh.
what I want to do. I
Yeah,
really
that's
want to study."
what a good teacher or a professor is
Yes,
basically. A, you don't get bored, and B, you feel the concepts are so clear that you don't
so
even
clear.
need to
Yeah,
go back and do anything about it. Like it's
yeah,
in
yeah.
you. Yeah, because I myself have seen when I've been taught by the best of the professors that subject, like even once you become a lawyer, you that's a clarity. Like when you
Yeah, yeah.
get that case, you're
Correct.
like, wow, I know this, I can do
Yeah.
this. And when you do a law case wherein the teacher was not that great, professor was not good, you're like, okay, I have to study it on now by
Yeah,
myself.
exactly.
Yeah,
So
a
their
good
love for
teacher,
the
a
subject
professor
comes
is
through when they
yeah,
teach.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
that's how you remember
You
it. So
manifested
they
it,
love the
girl.
subject.
You manifested it. You were so badly in love with NLS, like you wanted that you should reach there. So God also helped you do
Sort
that.
of, yeah.
Yeah.
So then once I finished my 2 years, no, like in the last 4 months of my articleship, which was from uh, September to December of last year,
Okay.
2023, I started studying. In the sense, I used to go home from work, so I had very less time. So I
Yeah.
used to go and at least for 1 2 hours, I used to study some of it. Like I
Okay.
used to do some reading comprehensions. I used to do a little bit of everything, a little bit,
Okay.
or try to cover something because I didn't want to start very late. And
Okay.
then anyway, the exam was supposed to be in April, so I thought January,
You'll have
like
time.
February, March, I'll study. But then it preponed.
Yeah.
So when January, it was first week, and when the news of
Yeah,
the
the
this thing
exam
came,
came.
prepone thing, I lost it. I was studying day and night from January when I started studying until 2 days before the exams. I was fully studying. In the
Oh.
sense, I was doing. I mean, I have a habit of it already because of CS. So I know I to sit and study the whole day, and I will not
Yeah.
get bored. I enjoy it, frankly. I love the concept. I enjoy it. So I used to study the whole day, only for like lunch and all I used to get up. So probably 7 hours, 6 7 hours I used to study, including like watching your videos
Yeah.
or other things and
Okay.
everything.
Yeah.
And that's how. Then I wrote
Yeah.
the exam.
That's great.
Oh, I was also on a waiting list because
Yeah.
I don't have reservation, and yeah, I was on a waiting list, and fortunately I got in.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that was so good. When I saw your message yesterday, so I was normally like, you don't expect anything of that sort because at this point of time, students who are not getting into the colleges, they are messaging, okay, what we should do, we are not
yeah,
getting in.
right.
Yeah, those
Yeah,
kind of, so that there's a sad moment altogether happening.
yeah.
Only once the results are out, there are good like 30 40
Good
messages
things
saying, okay,
happening.
yeah,
Yeah.
we cleared the exam and
So
everything.
basically, on 2nd May, it came the result, and
Okay.
I could see that I was on 80th rank, and I was still like there are 120 seats and it's 80th rank, and I basically am a general category student, but I have this Karnataka reservation I had because I'm from Karnataka.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was very surprised ki 80th rank I'm not getting in. I was feeling very dejected ki so this is not happening. I thought I
Yeah.
started giving interviews for CS. Okay,
Okay.
I gave like good interviews. I gave Vedanta and all. I gave interviews for, and like I
Okay.
got shortlisted. And then on 20th, I think 20th, I got a mail. 20th May. I got a
Okay.
mail
Okay.
about this thing, that
Oh,
getting in here. I actually wanted to reach out to you on WhatsApp, but then I didn't have your contact, and then
yeah.
Instagram, I didn't get it in my mind.
Oh
Ki,
yeah,
how can
and
I text her then?
moreover, you're so
Yeah,
happy. I mean, it takes time to digest that. Okay, now it's
yeah,
happening. I think that
yeah,
ways
yeah.
because a lot of times students come and tell me after 1 month or 2 months, and they say we are really sorry we forgot because we were so
Yeah,
happy. There was like a lot of
sort of. Yeah,
celebration happening. Obviously, it's a moment of celebration. You put in so much of hard
yeah,
work. Like you were telling it yourself only. Even I tell students that if you want to be a lawyer, don't think that it is just a one-day job or you study what
definitely
what you
not.
have done
Yeah,
in the law school and you're done. No, once you're out of the law school, you have to read a lot. You have to stay updated. You have to
yeah.
like once the case is there,
I
you have
think
to go in
any
and out of it.
professional has to
Yeah,
do that. Anyone in a profession,
professional like
yeah,
CA,
professional, yeah, yes,
everyone has to do that.
yeah.
Yeah,
Everything changes so instantaneously.
yeah.
Within a few months, things are
Yeah,
not like
even in
how, like, you have to
CSCA, you
keep
see the
updated.
taxation stuff. Like the moment there is a change, your clients are going to call you.
Yes,
Okay, please tell us.
exactly.
Brief us on
Yeah,
this. What we have to
yeah,
do. What is the next step? I mean, that's what everyone does. They call this CA. Okay, ab kya kare? You tell us. This has
yeah, yeah.
happened. So yeah, that way they have to stay. Like even if no
Very
one has
updated. Yeah.
interpreted that, they have to sit down and
On their
interpret
own, they
on
have to
their
have
own.
their own
They don't
stand.
have a
Yeah,
guidance also. They cannot say like we
yeah,
lawyers. What we can do is we can pick up maybe the judgment of the court and interpreting that with the help of commentaries is still easier.
correct,
For
correct.
for a CA, in the beginning they have to just be spontaneous enough to say ye hoga.
Yeah.
This needs to be done. Yeah, but your hard work. I mean, girl, kudos to you. You've done so much of hard work. It is easier to say, okay, people are going to come and say, oh, that was luck, and no, it was pure shiddat and hard work. As I say, it was your hard work that you landed in NLS. I mean, it takes a lot of hard work to do that, and
Yeah.
obviously, God also helped you a lot by ensuring that your waiting is cleared and you get
Yes, yes,
admission.
definitely,
So, what are your
definitely. Yeah.
next plans, Anusha? What are you planning to do? And before that, also 2 points that you want to tell anyone if someone comes to you कि अनुषा दीदी मुझे NLSAT देना है अगले साल 2 चीजें बता दो जो मैं करूँ बताओ.
Yeah. So basically, one thing is that reading comprehension, the part A you have to cover properly because that's your ticket to part B. So if you don't clear the whatever
Cut off and everything
cut
for
off, yeah,
part
for
A.
the only the top 600 people, only their papers will be checked for part B. So
Okay.
your MCQs, you have to have everything proper, like legal comprehension, current affairs, all this have to be done properly.
Okay.
So focus on that. That is for part A, I would like to say. Current affairs, however you do, you have to cover. So you
Okay.
watch videos like this, then great, because if it's you have less time. If not, you have more time, then please go ahead and do notes every day for whatever current affairs is going on. Otherwise,
Okay.
it's very hard to recall what's going on. So that's one
Okay.
thing. And for answer writing, I would say give mocks.
Okay.
Mocks definitely help. So for part B, answer writing, give mocks. And I feel personally ki, your approach has to be a little different for like part B of this exam particularly.
Okay.
You need to think very logically and like don't try to apply the actual laws that are there and all.
Okay.
Try to apply your mind in the sense ki as a normal person, if this is going on, how would you logically solve that problem?
Okay.
What would you think? So, and argue very strongly with backings of like, if you're writing something, if you're arguing from one person's side in the question, there are like two sides that you can choose one of them. So, when you're writing that, while writing, you have to think that somebody else is going to read this. Will they be convinced that
कि ये सही है कि
कि
yeah,
ऐसा
this
हाँ,
side
कि
is
हाँ,
right. Okay.
this side
Okay.
is right. So you
Yeah.
have to have backing. It's
You have
not
to
necessary that it has to be
reason.
right.
You have to give
Reasoning should be strong.
reason. You
Yeah,
need to back
reasoning should be
you have
strong.
an opinion and you need to give your reason with it. You just cannot
Correct.
say, okay, do this. No.
Yeah, yeah.
You need to
There is
tell
no
that
I
this,
feel
this,
like
this.
or like I feel like that. Like that's not
You
how
need
it
to
should
tell
be.
the why also.
Yes, why also
So
you need to
yeah,
tell that approach is usually not there in like if you're a graduate person or something because
yeah.
that approach is not we usually write facts as in whatever the theory part is there, but here you have to really apply your head and think ki how I'm going to convince someone that this is I am right, this argument is very sound. So I
Okay.
think working on that is very important. For that, mocks only will help you write.
Okay.
And maybe I think reading up editorials helps.
Okay.
for the part B part. So I think you can read up. I used to do that. So basically, in the first 4 months of my preparation, from
Yeah.
September to December, I didn't have time to read the whole newspaper. So I used to only read
Read
editorials.
editorials. Yeah.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
that also improves your communication skills, I feel, and also your reasoning ability. So yeah,
Because
that,
editorial, whenever you read an editorial, you have different point of views. And if you
yes.
read what NLSAT paper guidelines say, they say that we don't want you to have, in the essay writing part,
Yeah,
that they
correct.
don't want you to have one opinion. They say that
Yes.
you tell us what's going on out in the world. You tell us
Yeah.
different opinions, and then you give an opinion on that
Yes.
opinion.
You give an opinion which is yours after telling what
Yeah,
other
yeah,
opinions
yeah.
could be there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what they say, that you get, engaged with different opinions. And how will you get
True.
to know the opinion? Through the editorials, because every day one person would say, okay, no, this is right,
Yes.
this is wrong. Even in sometimes in one editorial, one paragraph would be saying, no, no, this needs to be done. In the
Yeah,
next
yeah, yeah.
paragraph, they would say, no,
Yeah,
no, this.
could be.
So that ways you get pointers. And also I think that sometimes you can even copy paste those in somewhere, किसी कहीं और
Yes,
पे भी लग
you
जाता
can
है.
use the language as such to
Yeah.
make your point stronger.
Make your
Like if you use
answer
the same
writing
tone,
stronger.
basically.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
That
that's
could
there.
be, yeah. And like, I would say if you really have the time, if you're a graduate, then keep 6 months for preparation. I
Okay.
think if I would have prepared, like, if I was not working in the last in December, if I was not working, I would have probably worked for 6 months straight properly on this. I think I personally think I would have done better. And I think that should be your aim, to actually keep a good 6 months for preparation.
Okay, okay.
Because 2.5 months is enough, but I think maybe not, because see, I was on
You
waiting. So
run through
I
you run
yeah,
through things.
I ran through things for 2.5 months, and
But
I
that's
got it.
great,
There's a lot
Anusha.
of luck also involved there, but
I know students who have
yeah.
prepared for 1 year, 2 years, and
Oh
couldn't
no, please.
clear it. So you've done great job. I think it's not. I also think, yeah, you need, like, if you have 6 months,
You
you have that
need good six
luxury.
months. You
But
need to be sure of yourself, then you need good 6 months.
yeah, but also think it also completely depends. You've given so many exams. I think you'll agree
Yeah,
that it is also the quality of time that you give. It is not 6 months. It
definitely.
is like
Yes,
sitting and only doing things that are not relevant is not going to help.
yes,
What you did in those
exactly.
2.5 months, or what you did in those 6 months, is also, and also the amount of problems you face. I mean, every time there are some problems, some topics are not the way that you want, you are not able to understand, but then getting through them is also very important. And keeping on it, that okay, I'm not going to give up, is also very important, because I see a lot of
Yeah.
students preparing for a lot of months and not getting through, while some of them get preparing for just 4 to 3 to 4 months, and getting through it, because it's also the quality of time that you apply. So that is also
Yes.
needs to be kept in mind. Yeah.
Strategizing is very important in this, I feel.
Yeah,
What is to be covered.
you were telling me that you are a person who loves lists and who loves writing down everything. So that kind of
Yeah,
planning goes into it. I mean, you need to know that till when you're doing what, and then
yeah,
ensuring that you're not taking it lightly. Ki, okay, I'll do tomorrow. I'll do no. You need to do it when you
yes,
have said. You need to ensure that you
definitely.
fulfill the
You need to
promise.
keep your own promise, otherwise
Yeah,
you
you
won't
cannot
cover.
break it.
Like, because of CS, I think I've got that, because for CS basically I had to I in the finals I had 3 groups, so 9 subjects. So
Okay.
I studied for a whole year, then you give the exam in December. That's how the thing is usually.
Okay.
So the whole year, in the last 3 months, I used to have a timetable where I used to have the subjects that I need to cover within like the first half of the day. The subjects, as in jotting it down to the topics that are need to be covered in the first half. So I
Okay.
applied the same thing here as well. So for example, legal reasoning is to be done, and like reading comprehension has to be done, logical reasoning, like that. So I will jot it down to the particular topics that I have to cover in
Okay.
the first half of the day, and the second half I'll do current affairs. As I would write and keep, and then I would just tick it because it makes me happy.
Yeah,
What?
and then you go to
So
sleep,
that's how, yeah.
you see at that
I
list,
swear,
and you
yeah.
feel so good that,
Yeah,
oh,
ki everything I
you
wanted to
get
do
a
today is
different
done.
kind of kick.
Yeah. I think that
Because
confidence also helps.
yeah,
I
for
also get very
tomorrow,
happy when I'm done.
you like the next day you're like, yes, today also I need to get it done. That
Yes,
list needs
yeah,
to get all ticked up,
correct.
and yeah, that's a good way to. That is
Yeah,
what you need to do. And I know, Anusha, you're going to be a great lawyer, and I
thank you.
wish you all the luck. I hope you find the best of the friends, you get to meet the best of the faculty in NLS,
Yeah,
and also you change as a person for good reason, and
yeah,
ultimately you get placed with a good law firm or whatever
Thank
you
you so
want,
much.
wherever you want to go. And I
Thank
wish
you,
you all
ma'am.
the luck and all the prayers and a big, big hug. Thank you, Anusha, for messaging me. You were a messenger of God for me. I cannot explain. I've told you already that I
Yeah.
was just contemplating that if I should continue or not. And now I'm going to continue because you've
Please
given me the
do. Please do,
confidence.
ma'am.
Thank you so much, Anusha, for joining in. Thank you so, so
Thank you so
much.
much.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much, ma'am. Thank you.